Let me ask you this. What if I told you that $100 could be the first step toward financial freedom? Not a scam, not a get-rich-quick scheme. Just smart, realistic money moves. I'm going to show you exactly how to invest $100 in 2025 and turn that small bill into serious potential. Stick around, because what you do with your next $100 could change your life. Hey, welcome to Dollar Cents Daily, the spot where finance becomes simple, smart, and actually useful. Whether you're in high school, working 2 jobs, or just tired of watching your money sit around, this channel is for you. Let's get one thing clear. Investing isn't about gambling. It's about ownership. You're not throwing money into a black hole. You're buying a future. Most millionaires didn't start rich. In fact, many began with far less than $100. So don't underestimate what you're holding. Option 1. Index funds with fractional shares. First, put your $100 into an index fund like the S&P 500. You don't need thousands. Apps like Fidelity, Schwab, or Robinhood let you buy fractional shares, meaning you can invest W with just $1. The S&P 500 includes companies like Apple, Amazon, and Google, and it historically returns around 8 to 10% annually. Over time, that's real compounding growth. Option 2, high-yield savings accounts or treasury bills. Want something safer? Try a high-yield savings account or U.S. treasury bills. Some online banks offer 4.5% or more in interest, which beats any traditional savings account. Or buy short-term T-bills directly from treasurydirect.gov and earn guaranteed returns backed by the U.S. government. Option 3, start a micro side hustle. Now let's talk hustle. You can invest your $100 into a digital side hustle. Start a blog, sell designs on Etsy, flip items from thrift stores, or run affiliate marketing pages on TikTok. $100 can cover domain names, online tools, and even ads. In the creator economy, small bets can lead to big wins. Option 4, crypto, but be careful. Yes, you can put $100 into Bitcoin or Ethereum, but only if you're ready for risk. Crypto is volatile. It goes up, it crashes. But if you're curious, platforms like Coinbase or Kraken let you start small and learn. Stick to the big names and never invest more than you're willing to lose. Option 5, invest in knowledge. Want the highest ROI? Buy books, take online courses, and build skills. Read The Psychology of Money or take a personal finance course on Coursera or Udemy. Use your $100 to learn how to make 10x more. Knowledge isn't flashy, but it compounds faster than almost anything else. Option 6, try robo-advisors. If you want totally hands-off investing, check out robo-advisors like Betterment or Wealthfront. You answer a few questions, deposit your $100, and they create a portfolio tailored to your goals. It's simple, automated, and designed for beginners who want to get in the game without stressing. Option 7, peer-to-peer lending. Looking for something different? Peer-to-peer lending platforms like Prosper or Lending Club let you loan out your $100 and earn interest back. It's higher risk than a bank, but also higher reward. Just make sure you understand the terms. What not to do with $100. Now, here's what not to do. Don't blow it on lottery tickets. Don't chase TikTok coins you don't understand. And please, don't just let it rot in a zero-interest checking account. This $100 is a seed. Plant it somewhere it can grow. So, what's your first move? Index funds? A side hustle? A new course? Drop a comment below and let me know how you're planning to use your $100, or share an idea that others can learn from. And hey, if this video gave you even one valuable idea, do me a favor, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell so you don't miss more smart money moves like this. If you're serious about growing your income, check out my last video. I break down 5 real side hustles to make $100 a day without a degree. It's packed with ideas you can start today, even from your phone. Thanks for watching, and remember, wealth doesn't come from wishing, it comes from doing.